After working with the Walking Softer Education organization, members of ENACT are working to bring hydroponic systems to the high school.
We were able to write a grant through Walking Softer Education that allowed us to purchase 5 hydroponic systems for our classroom.
Hydroponics is the science and practice of growing plants without soil. So in ours, we are suspending our plants in water, but in general, hydroponics can also be in any other medium or solution where their root systems can stretch out to get nutrients. This facilitates the plants to be able to grow higher yields of leaves and fruits and flowers.
Our smart hydroponics kit enables us to control things like light cycles, pH, temperature, etc. And how this works is essentially we have coded our system so that our bit will take in information that are sent as electrical signals from our various sensors and then create a response. This is a really valuable experience for the students involved in actually building and maintaining the systems, as they're getting experience in not only the construction, but also the coding that goes behind the scenes into it. However, on top of this, we are partnering with our school cafeteria to provide the crops so that it can be used in creating our daily school lunches.
Some of the plants we are growing include vegetables like different types of lettuce and herbs such as basil, oregano, rosemary, and thyme. And we even have some edible flowers such as marigold and violas or violets.
The hydroponics are aimed to be built by early April and implemented before the end of this school year, so keep on the lookout. If you're curious about contributing to the project, see Mr. Collier in room C117 with any questions. Reporting for North Penn Television, I'm Katie Taylor.